is it right for really rich families to own many cars? Okay, so let's start from agree. Ilian.
Ma'am, I think they are right, but in their whole life, there will be a time that they can become poor, and if they save the money of the car, if they save the money of the car, they buy it, so they can live more. If they become poor in their
so you mean they can sell the car and get money?
No.
Then
if they are buying a car to each person, so they can not buy and save the money for their other.
So you're saying agree. Why do you agree that it is right for rich families to own many cars?
Because they are very rich and they can
afford to buy.
Yeah.
So they should buy. Okay, Ilian. Oh, sorry, Ishan.
I am angry because the poor people live.
Continue.
If people will be more rich, so what can be happen with poor people? They don't have money also. So they live in tent. They also want one house. So sometimes if we will be rich, so sometimes our family can broke with money, and or any people come and play with a game. Play a game with.
So you agree that rich people should have many cars?
No.
So you're saying I'd agree. Oh. Alright. Let's go to disagree first. Rahil.
Ma'am, I agree and disagree because first I have a counterpoint for Ilian challenge.
Okay, you have a counterpoint.
Yeah.
Alright.
As I said that rich people should save the money for the car and not buy the car. Ma'am, if they save money by not buying the car, they can spend it on any other thing,
which is cheaper.
Okay.
We also need to pay for education now.
Okay, so there are a lot of other expenses, so we should save for
So
that.
we should only buy like only 1 or 2 cars for ourselves because it's really expensive, and later if we spend so much money, it's going to be a lot and we'll be really poor and we won't have enough money someday.
Alicia, I like the way you're raising your hand. Yes.
If they have many cars, so the environment will not be good and the pollution will come.
Yeah, so they'll cause a lot of pollution. Yes, Rahil?
And ma'am, I agree because suppose in the family there is something who have allergy and anything, so they don't want to sit with them, so they can buy another car.
So you're in between agree and disagree. Sanil?
Ma'am, we should not buy cars a lot because from that pollution would have and from that we would spend lots of money
On what?
on cars
And?
We could sell it, but we could use something else for that. Not only cars, we could use a piggy bank or something like that.
Invest.
And, yeah.
Okay. Ayan?
Ma'am, I once again disagree because we should not buy. If we have many cars, so other people come in the market and they cannot buy the cars which they want.
Okay. So you're talking about supply and demand here, Farhan?
It is useful only, then only we should take.
Only if it is useful, we should take. Otherwise, we should not take. Okay, Sai Vishwas?
Ma'am, I think we shouldn't buy many cars because it can also pollute, and I even agree because they can do whatever they want. Like
Okay.
if they have if one member of the family has an individual car, so they can do whatever they want.
Okay. Alice?
Ma'am, they can buy cars, but they should buy a car which is eco-friendly.
Which is eco-friendly. Okay. How can a car be eco-friendly? What do you mean? Alicia?
like solar panels.
But solar cars are not available. What should we do? They are not available in India to buy.
Battery.
Okay, so so cars that can be charged, that run on electricity, which is more eco-friendly. They don't pollute the air. What else? Suppose I want to buy a car run by petrol or diesel. So what should I keep in mind? What should I think about? Yes, Sanil?
We should not use it a lot.
Okay, I shouldn't use it a lot then?
Yeah. And we should have not a lot petrol in it. And then
Inara?
We have lots of other transportations which we can use.
So use alternative transportations.
Yeah, like you could walk, you could
You
ride.
could walk, you could ride, alright, okay.
You could take a bus.
Take a bus, public transport, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, Alicia?
I even disagree because if we take many cars, so the petrol is waste.
The petrol is waste,
Yes,
exactly.
because
We are using up so much petrol or diesel.
So we must save whatever we have and be thankful for it.
Yes, so that it is,
Save.
what's the magic word?
Sustainable!
Yes, okay. Alice?
If it is nearby, if we want to go near shop, we should not use the
Yeah,
car.
if you want to go somewhere
we can
nearby,
use a cycle.
use a bicycle, alright. Sai Vishwas?
Ma'am, like if we use a lot of petrol, so like inside the car it can be a problem. Like
Okay.
fire can cause.
Mm-hmm. It can be dangerous, okay. So you mean it's dangerous to have too many cars in the house?
Yeah.
The risk factor increases, okay. Ayan?
Suppose in one family there are 20 people, so we can we have to buy big cars like SUVs, and we can buy suppose if one SUV can hold 10 people, so we would only need to buy two SUVs.
Okay.
Ma'am, if we use more petrol, so in the future there will be
No petrol left, okay. Yes.
And this question is connected to our last question, because like everybody said, we can take the petrol, but ma'am, every country which have petrol, they are giving us, but we are using it in a wrong way, and we are telling that we don't have petrol and everything.
Okay, Inara?
What was I going to say?
Okay, suppose there are two cars, car A and car B in the market. Alright? So, both are, say, petrol cars. So, what is something that I should keep in mind if I want to save petrol, and if I want petrol to be more sustainable for future? What is something I should keep in mind? What should I check for? Yes, Alice?
We should see the mileage.
Mileage. You know what is?
Runs,
Yes.
means how much it takes the petrol. If it is more mileage, so it will take less petrol, and we can travel anywhere for
Yes.
the less petrol.
Less petrol. Yes, it's also called as fuel efficiency of the car. Yes.
That we could save petrol.
Yes, exactly. Alright, let's see why Aman has to completely disagree.
I completely disagree, because what will happen to the poor people, because they can't live a proper life, while the rich people can live a happy life. The rich people can donate.
Okay, good idea.
And they can buy less cars, and they can help by buying less cars, and that less cars that have less mileage.
More mileage.
More mileage.
Okay.